ano nga ba ang mindset? And bakit to important sa buhay natin? Now, let me explain it in the most simplest term. Imaginein mo na lang that meron kang salamin and that glasses is how you look at the world. Now, this time around, merong iba't ibang salamin. There's happy glasses, there's sadness glasses, there active glasses, merong mga energetic glasses, merong magaling sa pera na glasses, iba-ibang salamin na sinusuot natin. Now, why is this important? Think about this. Imagine na meron kang very challenging math problem. And this time around, yung sinusuot mo is yung never give up na salamin or never give up mindset. So with that, you will do whatever it takes. Now, this time around, yung sinusuot mo naman is I give up na salamin, no? Or I give up mindset. So when you're faced with a challenge or when you're facing that math problem, para sa'yo napakahirap na. Para sa'yo parang end of the world na. Now, bakit important that you know about mindsets? Because when you are aware that para lang palang mga salamin yung mindsets natin, now you can remove the mindset that is not serving you right now. Let's say, meron kang walang pera mindset or pulubi mindset. What you do, you just remove that, learn about powerful money mindsets, and then suot natin yan. And this is the beauty of life. Kaya nating baguhin yung mindsets natin. So, hindi pa huli ang lahat. It's because when you know your mindset, baka yung mindset mo is not serving you towards achieving the life that you want. Now, since aware ka na parang salamin lang pala yung mindset natin, then what you can do is that you just remove that glasses, change a better pair, suot mo, then magbabago ang results ng buhay mo. You know what? Hindi ka nag-iisa in your journey, and then there are a lot of ways for you to change your life. You just need to decide and take action. Kasi at the end of the day, always remember na ikaw rin yung tutulong sa sarili mo. When you start to help yourself, the people that are meant to help you will arrive in your life. So I hope meron kang nakuha from our time together. Good luck. And if you feel that you need help, you need clarity, feel free to reach out and message me.